September 1st, 2016. It's a bizarre cloud here. We got frequency patterns going through it. Shadow beams shooting out the side. Chemtrails being dumped on it. And you can tell that they're microwaving the sky because you got the plasma blobs over here.